Introducing longan, Democarpus longan of the family Sapindaceae. Longan is widely cultivated for its nutritious fruits and numerous medicinal, culinary, and economic uses. The sweet, juicy fruits are consumed fresh or processed into dried fruits, juices, canned products, jams, wines, and desserts. Dried longan is especially valued in Asian cuisine for use in soups, herbal teas, and sweet dishes. Nutritionally, longan fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, dietary fiber, potassium, and polyphenolic antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress and support immune function. Traditional medicine systems in China and Southeast Asia have long used dried longan pulp as a tonic to reduce fatigue, improve sleep quality, relieve anxiety, and promote overall well-being. In addition to its medicinal and nutritional value, the longan tree is grown as an ornamental and shade tree, and its durable wood is used to make furniture, tools, and handicrafts. The flowers are an excellent nectar source for honeybees, producing high-quality longan honey, making the species valuable for both agriculture and apiculture.